Are you suffering from high trading fees? What if I tell you there are ways to cover that up? Today, we will introduce coupons, trading funds, and vouchers in BTCC. Coupons are mainly used for covering trading fees for opening and closing positions. Vouchers allows you to trade futures without any cost. And trading funds have the most functions. It can be used to cover funding fees, trading loss, and as margin for opening position, besides covering trading fees. Note that they can only be used in USDT margined futures trades, and they will be cleared if you make a withdrawal. But how could we get them? There are a few BTCC campaigns that would reward you with that. The first one is New Users Mission Campaign. That would get you total of $10,055 valued coupons and trading funds. The second one is New Copy Trader Campaign. You can get maximum 50 USDT trading funds by trying out copy trading. The third one is following BTCC's X account, and you can get 10 USDT coupons. There are also other campaigns like Referral and BTCC World Trading Competition to get yourself USDT. After you get them, you can check them by opening your BTCC app, log in and go to the Assets page, then select the Overview tab. You can check your coupons, trading funds, and vouchers balance there. Go to the Trade page and select USDT-M pair. Then open a position. Your trading funds or coupons will be automatically used to cover the trading fees. Note that coupons will only be used when trading funds are used up. You can go to Reward History to check the record. Vouchers are a little bit different in how to use them. First, go to Assets page and select Overview tab. Then tab Vouchers. You can select the vouchers you want to use here. Or you can tab Redeem Voucher Code to enter your code and redeem voucher. Then, you can select a trading pair to open a voucher position. And you can see it in the Trade page. Here is a quick summary on today's topic. Coupons, trading funds, and vouchers can all help you to cover trading fees or even trading loss, and you can get them in participating in various BTCC campaign. Happy trading and see you in the next episode.